Hi, I am Luca from Practice Dilly. In this video, I'll show you how to send paperless forms to your patients by email or text message. To send forms to patients, first, go to the Appointments by Date page. On this page, hover over the patient's name, then click the Send Forms icon. A list of available forms will appear. Select the form you'd like to send. Then, choose the message you'd like to send with the form. You can make any necessary changes to the current message, or click the drop-down menu to select a different message template. Next, choose how you'd like to send it, by email, text message, or both. Once everything looks good, click Send to deliver the forms to your patient. On the patient's end, they will receive a link by text message or email. Patients simply click the form link, complete the required information, electronically sign the form, and submit it. Once the patient submits the form, the eye icon on the Paperless Forms page will turn green, indicating that the forms are ready for review. You can also download a PDF copy by clicking the download icon. The PDF will be saved to your computer automatically, with the patient's name and the form. Thanks for watching. I hope we have been able to provide you with some insight into send paperless forms to your patients. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions.